Assalamu alaikum. My name is Minda.
And my name is Mariam.
We are from
Grade 4 girls.
Today we talk about our subject
Science.
This visual presentation shows the different types of bones in our body. Lifelong bones such as the femur and short bones the carpals.
Flat bones such as the scapula and irregular bones like the vertebrae. This is scapula.
Bones are amazing because they give our body structure and shape, protect organs, help us move. Did you know that bones are live and blood vessels? I found it fascinating how bones can heal themselves when they are broken, thanks to a process called bone remodeling. Bones are also essential minerals like calcium and phosphorus, which are important for body function. Adults have 206 bones of their body, while babies are around 270 bones. They eventually fuse together as they grow.
Our body bonds framework that support us every day. Let's keep talking and learning care of our amazing skeletal system. See
Today we have learned
our skeletal system.
Hold your